To make these Fante nouns plural, add an N to the front. In Fante, we call N. For those nouns here that begins with a vowel, simply take off the vowel and affix an N to the front. Kuro, the plural will be nkro. Dadze, plural will be ndadze. Adaka, plural will be ndaka. Ado, plural will be ndo. Asheshe, plural will be nsheshe. Defua, plural will be ndefua. Eduazewa, plural will be nduazewa. Anoma, plural will be nnoma. And lastly, dua, plural will be ndua. There are other Fante nouns that takes different formats of making them plural. Expect them here very soon. Makrahum.